Hi, my name is Tom from Save the Date app. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how you view your RSVPs to the event. So let's click on RSVP. On this screen, we can view all the RSVPs we've received. We have one from a guest named Charles and Zoe from Adam's friends, and they wrote 2 congratulations. Total guests is 2, and the app says the total of RSVP's guests is 2. We can also view the guests who didn't RSVP here, and here are the guests. In case we want to manually RSVP one of them, if they talk to us in person or on the phone, then we can just right click on their name and manual RSVP, confirm. And this guest was moved from didn't RSVP to RSVP. So now we have another one. You see, we have 2 RSVPs. This was from SMS, this is manually, and the total guest is 3. That's it. Thank you.